Hi, throughout these sections, you are going to make a web app, which means that anyone is going to be able to use your program using their browser. So using the internet, using the URL that you are going to give people to use your program. Here I have the Flatmates Build app, which is an app we built previously in the course. The way this worked was through a command line interface. So the app interfaced with the user using the command line. The app was able to split a bill based on the bill amount, let's say 100 in this case. Let's put a period, the name of the person, how many days the person stayed in the house. So the program will consider these numbers to be able to split the bill between two people. So the other person is, let's say, Mary. Let's say she stayed 25 out of 30 days in the house, and so we get this bill split between John and Mary, depending how many days each of them stayed in the house. And the program also generated this PDF file. Alright, why did I show you this? Well, because imagine you gave this program to someone, to a person, maybe a friend of yours, and they liked it, and then they asked you, can I give this program to some other persons because there is some interest, and you say yes, give it to them. But the problem is these persons, they don't have Python installed in their computers, so they cannot use the program. Of course, you can create some online command line interfaces, as we did previously in the course, where they use this interface, command line interface through the browser, but still that's not the ideal solution. The ideal solution is to create a web interface so that anyone can use this app by filling this data in text boxes which are user-friendly, and then the user can press a button and then they can get the results on the web page. So this is exactly what we're going to do throughout these videos. We are going to make a web app interface for our Flatmates Build app. I hope you are excited as much as I am. Let's move on.